In previous videos, I have shown you how to add new pages to your WordPress website and also how to add a blog to your WordPress website. So let's assume you've added those pages by now. And if you haven't, be sure to go to websitesforless.org/training and check out the video on how to add new pages. But once you have added those, here under the Appearance menu, you'll see the Menus tab. And if this isn't expanded, you can click the little arrow to expand it. If you click into Menus, you'll notice that there's this main menu with these links under it. I just added the blog page to my website, but I haven't yet added it to the menu. And to show you what it would look like if I was to visit the site right now, we can see that the blog page isn't in this main menu here. So what we'll need to do is scroll down under here where it says Pages, and I suggest clicking View All instead of Most Recent. And we see that blog is there, so we click the little checkbox and then click Add to Menu. I'm going to rearrange it so that it's right above the contact page, and then I'm going to click Save Menu. So now if I go back to the website and refresh it, I'll notice that the blog page is indeed right here. And now if I were to click onto it, I see all these original posts that we're going to remove shortly. Back into the menu though, there are a couple of other cool things you can do with your menu editor, one of which is adding subpages. If you ever want to make a page a subpage of another, all you have to do is drag it so that it's indented. So right now, the About Us page will be a subpage of the home page. And to show you an example of how this will work, if I just go to a new page to refresh it, you'll notice that if I hover over Home, I see About Us. So if you ever want to build a menu with drop-downs, this will be the way that you'll do it. And another cool thing, if you want to add a link to an external website, so for example, if you want to link to maybe another business, you could do, let's say, Our Other Business. And you can actually type in that URL, and click Add to Menu, and you'll see that link there. And you'll notice that it's labeled as a custom link. So we can now save that and refresh the page again. And you'll see that if I click it, it will take me to Google, which is where I added a link for. However, what it's currently doing is taking me in the same page rather than in a new window. And if I wanted to change that, I have to go up here to the top right where it says Screen Options. This will show up throughout your website, and it's how you can adjust what different things are showing on your screen. So I see that Link Target is currently unchecked, so I'm going to want to check that. What the link target refers to is the window that it's opening up in, whether it's a new window or the same window. And now if I click the little drop-down arrow next to Our Other Business, I'll see that link target shows up here. I can change that to New Window or Tab and click Save Menu. Now if I refresh the page and click Our Other Business, you'll see that it's taken me in a new tab to the Google website, which is what we want. So, custom menus, as you can see, are pretty simple. I know I covered a lot of stuff that could be overwhelming, but to keep it simple, just remember, you go under Appearance Menus, add your pages, click the Add button, and then click Save Menu, and you're good to go.